Hey there, and welcome back to CryptoNinjas. I'm Dale, and today we're diving into yield bases, an exciting new DeFi protocol that's redefining how Bitcoin holders earn yields. It's already making waves, and with the recent Legion sale wrapping up, let's look at yield base's possible token price at the TGE. In this video, we'll cover what yield basis is, how it works, the yield basis token Legion sale, and YB tokenomics. Let's go. Please like and subscribe to Crypto Ninjas for more crypto contents and use our Binance referral code for 20% off trading fees for life and up to $100 in new user bonus. Thank you very much. First, what is yield basis and who's building it? Let's start with the basics. Yield basis is a decentralized finance protocol built on Ethereum, designed to help Bitcoin holders earn consistent yields without the usual risks of liquidity pools like impermanent loss. That's when your pool's value falls behind simply holding Bitcoin due to price swings, a real pain point in DeFi. Yield basis solves this, making it easier for you to grow your Bitcoin stack safely. With support for ETH deposits coming soon, who's behind it? The mastermind is Michael Egorov, the founder of Curve Finance, a DeFi titan known for its low slippage stablecoin swaps and secure liquidity pool. Igorov's a proven builder with a PhD in physics, and his team has raised $5 million in early funding, plus a $60 million Curve USD credit line from Curve DAO to power yield basis pools. With 6 smart contract audits done and a 7th underway, this isn't just hype. It's a robust, institutional grade project aiming to bring billions in Bitcoin liquidity to DeFi. Think of it as Curve's next chapter, tailored for Bitcoin enthusiasts. So, how does yield basis deliver those yields? It's all about smart design, and I'll keep it simple. When you provide liquidity to traditional pools, price volatility can erode your returns. Yield basis uses Curve's battle tested CryptoSwap AMM to fix this with a clever approach. Step 1, deposit Bitcoin. You deposit Bitcoin, like wrapped Bitcoin or CB Bitcoin, into a yield basis pool. It's single asset, so no need to pair with another token. Step 2, leverage for stability. The protocol borrows Curve USD, Curve's stablecoin, to apply exactly 2 times leverage to your position. This keeps your deposit safe with 200% collateralization. Step 3, auto rebalancing. Bots automatically adjust your position to match Bitcoin's spot price, canceling out impermanent loss. Your YB Bitcoin tokens, the receipt for your deposit, track Bitcoin's value perfectly. Step 4, earn yields. You collect trading fees in Bitcoin from the pool. Half of the fees cover rebalancing costs, and the other half goes to you. Backtests show this can turn a typical 5.8% APR loss into a 10.5% APR gain. You can also opt for YB token emissions instead of fees, but it's your choice. As good as it sounds, let's talk about risks. Leverage means sharp Bitcoin drops could stress the system, but audits and Curve's emergency DAO add strong safeguards. It's a reliable way to earn yields while keeping your Bitcoin exposure intact. Yield Basis is partnered with Kraken Launch and Legion to launch their YB token. It raised $5 million at a $200 million fully diluted valuation, selling 25 million YB tokens, 2.5% of supply, at 20 cents each, fully unlocked at TGE with no vesting. Phase 1 is called the pre-sale, a merit-based round for users with high Legion scores based on on-chain activity, social engagement, or GitHub contributions. This phase only accepts $2 million commitments. There were over 60,000 addresses applied, committing $195 million, a staggering 98 times oversubscription. However, only 2,300 participants were accepted, and the remaining slots are opened for the first come first serve phase 2. This phase 3 saw a $3 million poo, which was sold out fast in a couple minutes despite gas wars on Ethereum. It's notable to mention that the community was upset. Most community members can't join due to them being eliminated in phase 1 and couldn't compete with bots in phase 2. Personally, I think Legion and Kraken has majorly messed up this launch. For phase 1, they only accepted around 3.5% of participants, which is low compared to other launchpads. Their reasoning was they only accepted value add users, but then they opened more slots to first come, first serve public, which are mostly bots, not really value add, to be honest. This begs the question, did they really prioritize real users? Anyway, the team has recently announced that they will open more slots to pre sale users who have high merits with good on chain status. When it comes to the TGE, we should expect in early October, could be in the next couple days. Now, let's talk about the YB tokenomics. The YB token powers governance and incentives. Total supply is 1 billion tokens. The initial circulating supply is around 88 million, about 8.8%. This means a $17.5 million market cap at launch. You can stake YB for VYB to vote on pool settings and earn up to 50% of trading fees, with boosts up to 2.5 times for longer locks. Emissions are minimal, only for fee opt outs, keeping it sustainable. With Bitcoin's post halving momentum and Yield Basis's unique impermanent loss free niche, analysts see strong upside if liquidity scales. My price prediction for Yield Basis is around $2 billion in FDV at launch, which means $2 per YB tokens, a 10 times from the Legion sale. From there, token might see a slight dump to $1.50 by pre-sale participants in the first few days of trading. At the end of 2025, YB could bounce back, breaking the all-time high thanks to the strong team, millions in funding, and a one-of-a-kind solution to Bitcoin DeFi impermanent loss. If this actually works, Yield Basis will open the door for the massive Bitcoin liquidity sitting idly. And that's my video about Yield Basis, a smart, sustainable way to grow your Bitcoin without fear of impermanent loss. The Legion sale showed its potential, and YB's tokenomics are built for the long haul. If you're exploring Yield Basis or holding YB, share your thoughts in the comments. What's your price prediction of YB at the TGE? Please like and subscribe to Crypto Ninjas for more crypto content and use our Binance referral code for 20% off trading fees for life and up to $100 in new user bonus. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Daily out.